In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to create scheduling pages in HubSpot step by step. Scheduling pages are a great way to let your contacts, leads, or clients book meetings with you automatically based on your availability. This saves time, removes the back and forth emails, and makes your workflow much smoother. Start by logging into your HubSpot account. Once you're on your dashboard, find the Meeting Scheduler option. Depending on your layout, it might be under Sales Tools or directly accessible from your main navigation. Click it to open the Meetings Management area. This is where all your scheduling links live and where you'll create new ones. Next, click Create Scheduling Page. HubSpot will guide you through setting up your new meeting link. First, choose the type of meeting you want to host. You might pick a one-on-one call, a group meeting, or another format, depending on what fits your needs. Now, let's configure the details. Start with the meeting type. This defines the duration and structure, like a 15-minute intro call or a 60-minute strategy session. Then give it an internal name that's clear for you and your team. Next, select the organizer. This is the calendar that HubSpot will check for availability, so double bookings are avoided. Add an event title that your attendees will see, like Discovery Call with Sarah or Marketing Strategy Consultation. Set the location. This could be in person, over the phone, or via video conference. If you're using Zoom or Google Meet, paste the meeting link here so it's automatically included in confirmations. Finally, fill in the description to let attendees know what to expect and how to prepare. Review everything carefully, then save or publish your scheduling page. Your link is now live and ready to share via email, website, or landing pages. And that's it. Creating scheduling pages in HubSpot is an easy way to automate bookings and give your contacts a smooth, professional experience. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful HubSpot tutorials.